my name is Jacqueline. I'm a corporate flight attendant and welcome to my channel. You have to pardon my appearance. My very handsome cameraman, Johnny, and I just finished a virtual online kickboxing class, and now it's time for our morning coffee, and we're mixing it up a little bit. So I thought I'd do something fun. It's hot out today. It's a perfect time for iced coffee. And with Easter tomorrow, or today when I'm actually publishing this video, this is a nice, aesthetically pleasing coffee for your guests. So today I'm gonna make the Dalgona coffee that is taking the internet by storm. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's that fancy, fluffy, whipped coffee. It's so easy. You only need sugar, instant coffee, a tablespoon for measurement. Definitely use a clear coffee cup so you can see your beautiful coffee art creation. And then you need a bowl for mixing, and you can use a hand whisk or a hand mixer. Whatever you have at home is just fine. All right, so to get started, we're gonna do equal parts. I'm using 2 tablespoons of instant coffee right into this bowl here. Make some room for you. To avoid cross-contamination, I'm gonna get a new spoon, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'll be right back. Right into the bowl. And then you just need 2 tablespoons of hot water to get everything dissolved. All right, so I've added the hot water, equal parts again, 2 tablespoons of everything, to the instant coffee and the sugar, and now we're gonna whip it good. So once your coffee forms stiff peaks like this, it's ready to go. This recipe is so quick. It just makes you look like a fancy host if you're hosting, or if you're working on an airplane. This is perfect to serve for your passengers. So again, take your clear cup and then you're gonna fill it with milk. This is an espresso, so I have a marking on here, but just use however much milk that you want. Now, my brother-in-law made this for him and my sister, and he was very smart and froze extra leftover coffee. So he put coffee ice cubes in here just to help keep his drink extra cold. I think that's a fabulous idea. We don't have ice trays at the house, so that's not something that we did, but rest assured, this is still gonna be great. And then you just scoop your whipped coffee right on top. And it floats. Probably should have cleaned this a little better. Now, this looks delicious on its own, but do not try to lick the bowl or the spoon clean because it has a strong taste I learned the hard way. Not a good idea. Just scrape that bowl clean and pour it right on top. Now, if I was serving this on the airplane, I would take a bar of chocolate and shave some chocolate pieces right over top just to make it look that much more presentable. Also, if I were serving this on the plane, which I'll do now because I'm making it for my wonderful husband cameraman who's helping me out, I would wipe the edges of the cup just so it's clean and a little more presentable. And there you have your Dalgona coffee.
What concoction did you give me today?
Well, you're the cameraman, so you should know exactly what this is.
Oh, come on.
It's made with love. So we're gonna do a little first review for you guys, a little PS at the end of the video.
There you go. It's good.
You like it?
Yeah, it's good. It has an interesting consistency.
Yeah, the texture's nice. It's different from just regular iced coffee.
But the fact that this is like instant coffee,
no one would know.
no one would know. It's really good.
Good. I'm glad you enjoy.
Yeah.
Salute. So thank you guys for watching. Happy Easter to all of you who celebrate. If you don't celebrate, happy Sunday to you guys. I hope you're enjoying the weekend and staying sane during quarantine. Please make sure to like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you're looking for me on social media, my Twitter is @JackTravels, JAC Travels. If you're looking for me on Instagram, my Instagram is the same as it is here on YouTube, Jacqueline Travels. Thank you again for watching. Stay safe.